Would you like to be a better speaker? If the answer to your question is yes, then by the end of this presentation, I'm going to show you how you can make money speaking and how you'll be able to deliver a speech to any audience successfully. There are three things that I want to talk to you guys about today. And these three things is going to help you. The first thing is the first thing that you need to know in order to be a better speaker is that you need to have a friend that speaks. And when I speak of a friend that speaks, I'm not talking about like we come to class every week and we learn like little things on speaking. I'm talking about getting a friend that speaks and actually becoming that person's friend. You have to become friends with somebody that speaks and somebody that speaks better than you. So we have to look at ourselves and really see who we are and know what it is that how we think. And when we choose a friend to become, when we choose someone to become friends with, we choose our friend based on them being better speakers than us. So you have to choose somebody that's better than you. And when you choose somebody better than you, you become their friend. Like I said, like coming here every week is cool. But when you become friends with someone, you go over their house, you go out to ball games with them, you become friends with a speaker. And the speaker is going to help you because they're better than you. I wrote a book, my book, Make It Your Season, and in the second chapter, I talk about the law of association. And with the law of association, when you become friends with a speaker that's better than you, then you actually become better as time goes on, by you becoming friends with someone better than you. And it rubs off on you without you even thinking about it because the law of association is seamless. Secondly, the second thing that helps you become a better speaker is to bring all of you to a speech. Now, sometimes when we speak, we leave some of the bad things about us out. We forget about some of the good things. In order, the thing that'll help us is when we bring all of us to a speech, the good and the bad. Maybe you've been divorced. Maybe you've won the lottery. All of those experiences that make you who you are, when you bring all of those experiences to the speech, it makes you a better speaker. And then by you bringing all of you to the speech, say you go and you have to speak to kindergartners. You take a part of your life that will reflect to the kindergartens because you brought all of you to the speech and you use that for the kindergartens. Say you're going to speak at a conference and there's attorneys there. You bring your expertise from your profession or whatever there, and you bring different parts of who you are to the speech. Now bringing all of you this is what makes a good speech. When you bring all of you to the speech, you bring the content, and when you bring all of you, you bring the content and you connect with the audience, and that equals a successful speech. Bring all of you, the content, say you talk to the kindergarten, the content is learning your ABCs, respecting your mommy and things like that. Bring you everything that you represent, the content, and then you connect with your audience, and that brings success. The third thing that'll make you a better and more successful speaker is read. The more you read, the better you become as a speaker. Read when you go to sleep, read when you wake up, read everything that you possibly can. Because reading naturally increases our what? Our vocabulary. Our vocabulary. And when we increase our vocabulary, it gives us credibility when we're speaking. And people are attracted to words. People are attracted to what you say and how you say it and the way that you say it. And people are seeing to that. And it's good to use great vocabulary when you're speaking because especially when you're selling something, by people being attracted to you, they want to know more about you or they want to purchase your product at the end just by you increasing your vocabulary. So when you put when you get your friends that speak, and you bring all of you to a speech, and you bring your vocabulary, people will wonder how you became such a great speaker so fast, and how you learn surreptitiously.